Hello friends, how to increase flowering during the rainy season. Focus on proper drainage, prune regularly and provide adequate nutrition and pest control. Ensure potted plants are not water-launched by placing them on stands. Remove the secures of potted plants that get direct rain and use organic fertilizers like compost to replenish soil nutrients. Monitor for pests and diseases. Treating with organic methods like neem oil to protect plant health and encourage new growth. Which fertilizer to use in the rainy season? You can use organic fertilizers like compost, vermicompost, or well rotted manure, goat manure, cow manure to replenish nutrients lost due to rain. You can use tea powder waste, eggshells, onion peels, banana peels. For flower growth, use a complete fertilizer with a balanced ratio of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, ideally with higher phosphorus and potassium to encourage blooming over excessive leaf growth. Organic option like vermicompost or compost fertilizer improve overall health and nutrient delivery, while specific supplements such as Epsom salt can boost magnesium and sulfur, which aids in nutrient absorption and flowering. Epsom salt or magnesium sulfate is one of the best dry flower fertilizer options and can provide your flowers with a boost of magnesium and sulfur. These minerals play a vital role in chlorophyll protection and overall plant growth. High phosphorus and potassium contain fertilizer with a ratio like 5 5 is to 10 is to 10 or 10 is to 20 is to 20 or the ideal at this stage. Bone meal or rock phosphate, these are a great organic option for adding phosphorus to the soil naturally. Thank you friends for watching my video.